Let's know about shapes. Let's start. First, we draw all the shapes. This is triangle. Triangle. This is triangle shape. This is quarter circle. This is quarter circle. This is arrow shape. Arrow shape. Yes, arrow shape. This is parallelogram shape. Parallelogram shape. Yes, this is star shape. This is star shape. First we draw all the shapes, then we color. This is heart shape. Heart shape. Now we color all the shapes. Triangle shape. Triangle shape. Triangle have three sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Quarter circle. This is quarter circle and purple color. Quarter circle. This is quarter circle. And the color is purple. This is blue color. And the shape is arrow. Arrow shape. Arrow shape. Arrow shape. This is brown color. And the shape is parallelogram. Parallelogram shape. Parallelogram shape. And the color is brown. Brown color. Violet color. And the shape is star. Star shape. Star shape. Yellow color. And the shape is heart. Heart shape. shape. And the color is yellow. Triangle shape, quarter circle shape, arrow shape, parallelogram shape, star shape and heart shape. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching.